Rizz. Now, repeat after me. Rizz, Rizz. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, Rizz is a slang term used to describe someone's ability to charm or flirt with others successfully. It's often associated with confidence and smoothness in social interactions, especially in a romantic context. Think of it like this. If someone is really good at making people laugh, feel comfortable, or even impressed, they've got Rizz. In a sentence, so much Rizz, he can make anyone smile just by walking into the room. Here, Rizz refers to his smooth and charming social skills. Let's try another example. Her Rizz was undeniable. She had everyone's attention the moment she started talking. Synonyms. Some synonyms for Rizz are charm, the quality of being attractive and pleasant in social situations. Charisma, a natural ability to attract and impress people. Antonyms. The opposite of Rizz would be awkwardness, lacking grace or confidence in social interactions. Social ineptitude, the inability to handle social situations smoothly. Part of speech, Rizz is a noun referring to someone's charm or ability to win others over. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.